Well, working pretty good for the most part. All right, everyone, out at the creek. It is supposed to be 84 today. It is a little cloudy. Water is pretty low. We had a flood here a couple weeks ago. Looks like it's down, but it looked like it moved some rocks. You can see these pile of rocks. And I was actually using my dowsing rod, trying to give it another go, and had some hits. We had a big hit right here in this collection of big old rock boulders. I get a deadlifting workout today, I guess. And there was another hit right after this big old boulder. After these, you can see some big old rocks, and then this collection was another big old hit. So maybe this is the little pay streak running right through here, and that's probably why all these big old boulders are collecting here. But you see some nice sized quartz there. Got some gravels collecting down there too. Some heavy rocks. So we'll give the dowsing rod the benefit of the doubt and do some areas there and see if it's my lucky day to find my 10 ounce of gold. All right. Well, I'll be back. Also, what we're gonna try out today too is my homemade classifiers, my little bucket classifiers. Let go. All right, you see, got it all drilled out. That's a 1/2 inch one. And then got my 1/8 inch one drilled out too. Fits right in the 5-gallon bucket. We'll see how well this works and how faster it is at classifying. Tell you what, that was a lot of freaking holes to drill. But it wasn't very expensive to do, so that's a plus. I will check with y'all later. Well, working pretty good for the most part. My 1/2 inch one was kind of a failure. I might have to end up putting mesh on it. That's probably some of my fault. It's actually cracked. You can see. Maybe you can see. Cracked right there. I kind of was probably being dumb. I was putting these big old rocks, these big old quartz rocks in it to wash them off. Those things were heavy as crap. Some of these big old rocks I was putting in there to wash out. So that was probably a mistake. And that's probably what cracked it. But I might end up cutting off the bottom and maybe putting mesh in there or something. We'll see. My shoulder.
Alright, here's the first collection tray. See if I can get you to see. It caught a little bit of gold. Nothing too big or anything, but here's my finger. There's some decent pieces. It was catching some micros quite a bit. I ran 2 5-gallon buckets, classified down to 1/8 of an inch with my classifiers, my new classifiers, and they work pretty good. A lot faster. Let me do the secondary collection and see what comes out of that one. See if it lost anything. I'll be back. Alright guys, here is the overflow, and there was 3 super micro pieces of gold. I don't even think you're going to be able to see them because they were so small. But the secondary catch did catch it. But I mean, I could barely see it with my own eyes, so I seriously doubt you're going to see it with the camera. So, but there were some black sands. But this was 2 5-gallon buckets, ran right through it with no clean outs. Oh wait, can you see that? Maybe that's it. Oh well, I guess I'm not going to be able to show y'all. It was just like, I could barely see him with my eyes. So it did pretty good. For catching almost everything except for the super flower gold, which I'm not too worried about anyways. But alright, the
Classifiers work pretty good. So did the Nugget bucket. It was a lot better pre-classifying it. I could run like a 5-gallon bucket through it within, I don't know, about 30 minutes or so. Maybe 20-30 minutes. And I was panning. I just kept the 1/8 inch stuff and put it in my gold pan and panned that out to make sure I didn't lose any pickers. It didn't take long to pan that. But alright, y'all have a awesome day, and I will talk to y'all laters. Peace out.